Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you easy summer yakitori. The rainy season is about to over, and that means the hot and humid Japanese summer is starting soon. It's time to cook up things in grill to make my life easier. Let's make super simple yet delicious summer yakitori. Let's get started. First thing first, soak bamboo skewer into the water to avoid scorching. Cut chicken thigh into chunks. You can leave the skin on to keep the juice inside. Season with salt and sake and a pinch of sugar. Toast to season evenly. Do you remember how much salt we add? Yes, about 1% of the amount. The most important thing is adjust to your liking or to your health condition. Let's make one more easy skewer. Pork wrapped cherry tomatoes. Rinse your tomato and pat dry. Cut the sliced pork belly in half lengthwise and line them on the cutting board. Season with salt and pepper lightly and dust with all-purpose flour. Wrap around the cherry tomatoes and put them on the skewer. Now it's time to cook. Preheat the grill while laying the skewer on the wire rack. I always line aluminum foil underneath to correct the drip. It's easy to clean it up. Flip it over every couple of minutes to cook through. In the Japanese kitchen, we have a compact griller installed as a default to grill fish. I use this useful griller to grill anything you can put in. If you have barbecue griller outside your house with the charcoal, that's the best way to cook these skewers. Or you can use indoor grill, oven, or even grill pan is good to use. The pork is cooked faster than the chicken. Take it out from the cooked skewer. There you have it. How easy is that? Sprinkle shiso leaves, aka Japanese basil, tear into small pieces with your fingers. It adds refreshing aroma to it and brings out the simple deliciousness. Serve with sesame oil and salt with a hint of grated garlic. It's going to give it a nice kick to yakitori. Cherry tomato is cooked and tastes like fresh tomato sauce. The taste of summer is going on your mouth. But be careful, the tomato will pop out from your mouth when you give it a bite. The popular yakitori is seasoned with teriyaki sauce, but it's a little bit too rich in summer. We prefer seasoned with salt in summer, and you will understand it when you take a bite. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!